Alright guys, so I got a package, right? So you guys know how my MacBook had a slight issue? Well, it's time to fix that said issue. Let's open it up. Oh, okay. I mean, that's probably how you open it. Wow, look at that. Thank you for your purchase. Open up, give me the goods. Yes. Okay. We're gonna unscrew this. I'm sorry, I'm very out of energy right now. Okay, last screw. There we go. Okay. Unscrew that. Take it out. Now we open the new one. Yes. Go all the way in. Yes, there we go. I'm gonna put the bottom case on, but I'm not gonna screw it in. Oh, let's go! Yes! Yes! Oh, it feels so good to see that again. United States, continue. Okay, so it seems to be working. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're not gonna transfer it now. We're gonna actually log in. Oh, this is like haiiiii or something. Maybe it's Catalina, I don't know. Express setup, yeah. Sure. Always dark mode. Oh, 10.15.7. That's pretty good. Storage. Oh, yeah. That number has never looked so good. This is good. This is good. I am very happy with how this turned out, because now my MacBook works again. Awesome. This is good. This is very good.